Ever wondered how to make money from legit resources as a beginner? Well, you're not alone. The internet is a vast ocean of opportunities, yet it can seem like a daunting task to sift through the noise and find those genuine gold nuggets. We all know that making money online is a reality, but unfortunately, so are scams and false promises. As a beginner, it's even more challenging to navigate this digital landscape. You might have asked yourself, where do I start? How do I know which resources are legitimate? How can I earn money online without falling for a scam? These are all valid questions and concerns. But fear not, because this video aims to provide answers. We have compiled a list of reliable resources that not only promise, but deliver results. Stay tuned to learn about these legit resources that can help you make money online, even as a beginner. First on the list is Swagbucks. Imagine getting paid for watching videos, taking surveys, or even playing games. Yes, you heard that right. Swagbucks offers you these delightful ways to have fun and earn some cash simultaneously. It's like transforming your idle time into a money-making moment. The charm of Swagbucks lies in its versatility and simplicity. You can regularly earn between $25 to $100 per month just by doing things you'd normally do online. Now, isn't that a lucrative deal? But that's not all. Swagbucks also offers cashback shopping. You earn SB points for shopping, which you can later redeem for free gift cards from places like Amazon, Walmart, and even PayPal. It's like a reward system where the more you shop, the more you earn. So, Swagbucks is a fun and easy way to earn money while doing things you do anyway. Ever heard of getting paid for shopping or testing websites? Let's explore Bestmark and user testing. Bestmark is the hidden gem of mystery shopping jobs. With Bestmark, you're getting paid to shop at different places and share your experience. Sounds fun, right? But how does it work? After signing up, you're given assignments to shop at specific places. The types of assignments vary, but many are things like general car maintenance that you'd already be doing. Not only will they pay you for the job, but they'll also reimburse the cost of the service. The pay can be quite a bit depending on your location. So, if you're a shopaholic or just someone who enjoys a good shopping experience, Bestmark could be your new best friend. Now, let's talk about user testing. This is a platform that pays you to test websites and apps. Here's how it works. After signing up and completing a short test video, you'll start receiving email notifications when new website tests are available. You'll be given a few tasks to accomplish on a website while you record your screen and voice the whole time. Think of it as giving a tour of the website while sharing your thoughts out loud. It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and the pay is generally $10 to $15 per website. So for those of you who enjoy surfing the web and sharing your opinions, user testing could be a fun way to earn some extra cash. Now, you might be wondering, how do I sign up for these platforms? Well, it's quite easy. Just visit their websites, fill out the registration forms, and you're good to go. As for potential earnings with Bestmark, it can vary depending on the assignments in your location. With user testing, you can potentially earn up to $60 per hour. But remember, the availability of tests can fluctuate. So, if you enjoy shopping or surfing the web, Bestmark and user testing could be your ticket to earning online. Let's discuss Perk and Top Cashback, two resources that pay you for things you're likely already doing. Starting with Perk, it's a platform that is rapidly growing and continuously adding new ways for users to earn. One of the most popular ways to make money with Perk is by downloading their apps, including the popular Perk TV. This app is unique because it actually pays you to watch TV in your home. Imagine getting paid while you're lounging on your couch, binge watching your favorite shows. That's exactly what Perk offers. But it doesn't stop there. Perk has many other apps with different ways to earn. Some of them allow you to earn while playing games, others pay for taking quizzes or shopping. So there's a good chance you'll find an activity you enjoy and get paid for it at the same time. Now shifting gears to Top Cashback. This website is unique in its approach. It gives you 100% commission when you shop through them. You might be wondering how they manage to do this. Well, they don't take a cut from your earnings. Instead, they allow businesses to be featured on their homepage. These businesses pay Top Cashback to be advertised on their platform, and that's how they make their revenue. What does this mean for you? It means when you shop through Top Cashback, you are getting the full commission, nothing is deducted. So whether you're buying a new outfit, ordering food, or purchasing a gift, you're getting cash back for every purchase. Just imagine, every time you shop, you're saving. Every time you watch TV, you're earning. These are everyday activities that most of us do without thinking. But with platforms like Perk and Top Cashback, these mundane activities become money-making opportunities. So if you're someone who loves shopping or can't live without your TV shows, these platforms are a perfect fit for you. They allow you to earn and save while doing what you love. With Perk and Top Cashback, your everyday activities become money-making opportunities. Now, let's look at Swagbucks, Cash, Cash Crate, and Inbox Dollars. 4 more resources that offer diverse ways to earn. Starting with Swagbucks, this platform will keep you engaged and earning with an array of activities. From watching videos to entering contests, completing offers, and even playing games, Swagbucks ensures there's never a dull moment in your journey to making money online. Next in line is Cash. This site offers a unique perk, getting paid to listen to the radio through a third-party service called Radio Loyalty. Imagine that, earning money while tuning into your favorite tunes. Of course, Cash also pays you for watching videos among other things, but the radio feature certainly stands out. Then we have Cash Crate. A popular choice among online earners, Cash Crate rewards you for a variety of activities. Watching videos, shopping, playing games, winning contests, trying products. These are just some of the ways Cash Crate pays. With such a broad range of money-making avenues, it's no wonder why this platform holds such appeal. Lastly, but certainly not least, is Inbox Dollars. As an Inbox Dollars user myself for a few years now, I can vouch for its legitimacy. While it won't make you a millionaire overnight, it certainly provides a steady stream of extra cash. You can get paid to watch videos, play games, and shop, among other things. It's a versatile platform that offers multiple ways to earn. It's important to remember that while these sites won't replace a full-time job, they provide a great way to supplement your income. They allow you to turn your spare time into earnings, doing activities you'd probably be doing online anyway. So whether it's watching videos, playing games, or shopping, these sites offer multiple ways to earn money. It's all about finding the platform that best fits your lifestyle and preferences. So why wait? Start exploring these resources today and see how they can help you boost your income. Finally, let's dive into My Gift Cards Plus, Send Earnings, Fat Wallet, Memo Link, and Extrabux. These resources offer a variety of ways to earn, from cashback to gift cards and online shopping, and they all have something unique to bring to the table. Starting with My Gift Cards Plus. This website provides competitive cashback rates on gift cards for various stores. The best part? It's powered by Swagbucks, which means you can earn SB points while getting cashback. It's like a sweet double deal. Next up, we have Send Earnings. This platform will pay you to watch videos, play games, and even shop at different stores for the things you're already buying. That's right, you're getting paid for the things you would do anyway. Now that's what I call a win-win situation. Moving on to Fat Wallet. This resource is a fantastic cashback website that you can use for comparison when shopping. Just browse around, see who offers the most cashback for what you're buying, and earn that money. It's as simple as that. Now let's talk about Memo Link. While they pay for various activities, they are primarily a cashback website. You can shop at all kinds of online retailers through them, making it a versatile option for all your online shopping needs. And last but definitely not least, we have Extrabux. This platform offers up to 30% cashback at over 2,000 different stores. With such a wide range of retailers available, you're bound to find a place to shop and get cashback through this resource. To sum up, all these resources offer an array of opportunities to earn money or get cashback. Whether you're a fan of online shopping, watching videos, or playing games, there's something for everyone. So why not give them a try and start earning today? Whether it's through cashback, gift cards, or online shopping, these resources offer something for everyone. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through a variety of online platforms and resources, each offering unique opportunities to make money. From Swagbucks, where you can earn while enjoying videos, games, and surveys, to Bestmark and user testing that pay you to shop and review websites. We've explored Perk and Top Cashback, platforms that reward you for watching TV and shopping through them. Swagbucks, Cash, Cash Crate, Inbox Dollars, and a host of others provide an array of options from watching videos to playing games, shopping, and even listening to radio. Lastly, we delved into My Gift Cards, Plus, Send Earnings, Fat Wallet, Memo Link, and Extrabux, each offering cashback for your regular shopping. It's amazing to see how you can transform your regular online activities into a source of income. So, if you've been wondering how to make money online as a beginner, these legit resources are a great place to start. Good luck!